Okay, boom, back again with another gruesome murder. Literally, back again with another gruesome murder. People were going for not to go on. You see, man, say, as you can see on the screen, at serious times, Coolie, man, Giovanni Ellis, the person that you see in the picture, his name, person of interest for, basically raping, the 9-year-old girl. I'm putting her in a barrel, my people. Yes, when police find the little girl body in the barrel, she was partially nude. So you know what time it is, isn't it, sir? And I'm not gonna lie to you, this case, it just reminds me of the one that went down in Guyana the other day. You know what I mean? With the 9-year-old girl, the little girl that, them finding at the pool and them said she allegedly drowned. But we see some no investigations is happening to determine how she actually died before the drown. But nevertheless, people, look on that wire. You know what I mean? Them say a Spanish town this happen. So you know what time it is. Jungle justice. Time for Spanish town for vanish clone. Now you know it's innocent till proven guilty. So, such man who'd upon the screen, turn yourself into the police because you are wanted, you know what I mean, of person of interest. So if you want to keep your life, because you know how life easily dash way in Jamaica, turn yourself in before the community come and get you. You know what I mean? Because this is disgusting, you see, my peeps. According to the news article, them said Giovanni Ellis, Coolie man, beat the little girl, you see, I say Kelsy Ferrigon. You see, I say, so I can imagine a little girl not complying to this nasty man orders and them just, well, you see, I say, I could imagine the cries and the holler. You see me? But you know how these germs do. Them squeeze up people mouth and all type of things. And them look like a big man for that little, you see me I say. But me just giving a quick update what going to go on. If them find him dead, we'll give him that update. If him get arrested or turn himself in, we'll do the same. So make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify whenever I drop the latest. Bliss.